Hello. Here are the tickets. My little sister is sick. Quiet.
Just a minute. I'm letting you through.
Thank you. Hooray! We outsmarted him! That was genius. One day we were in a hospital and decided to hide soda in the IV. No one knows that we are healthy. We only pretended to be sick. There's nothing wrong with us. We just love sweets. Hey, what are you doing? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Oh, these girls are weird. But we've outsmarted the security guard as well. We've got a whole stash in our party hats. This is incredible and so yummy.
Oh no.
Yeah, please help your Uh-oh. I think we've been caught. Ouch, that hurt. We gotta run.
Oh,